disaster would occur, be it a flood, drought, or other natural cause, and farmers and ranchers would go to Congress requesting help. And 1 to 3 years later, those farmers and ranchers would receive that assistance. Now, farmers and ranchers purchase crop insurance from an agent. If something like a flood or drought occur, AgriSompo North America pays the farmer through this federal program, many times within days of them signing their claim. So how does crop insurance work? The first step in the crop insurance cycle is actuarial release or change options. The Risk Management Agency, or RMA, releases the insurance offerings for the upcoming sales closing date. Next is policy renewal. Most crop insurance plans and policies are continuous, meaning they automatically roll over and apply to the next crop year. If this is not the case, or you want to change your coverage, that's where the sales closing date and application come into play, which is step 3. Ranchers and farmers sign an application with an agent prior to the specified sales closing date, which varies by commodity. Some commodities even have multiple sales closing dates. Next is policy confirmation. The agent submits the application to AgriSompo North America. The policy is then reviewed for accuracy and compliance, then accepted. The policyholder may not cancel their policy for their initial crop year. Step 5 is production reporting. The insured reports their production from the previous crop year or years. Reporting production helps to establish an APH, or actual production history, which allows AgriSompo North America to accurately determine an insured's policy coverage. Next comes acreage reporting. Insurance actually attaches as soon as planting begins within a unit, which is a crop insurance term similar to line of insurance. But acreage reporting is when the policyholder reports the number of acres planted, the date the acreage was planted, and farming practices. In some cases, additional information is also required. In step number 7, a schedule of insurance or summary of coverage is sent to the insureds from AgriSompo North America. This document lists the reported acreage that is insured and/or not insured. Policyholders are strongly encouraged to review these documents for accuracy. Many of our insureds hope to never have to do this, but in the event that there is a flood, drought, or other unavoidable peril, a notice of loss or claim needs to be submitted within 72 hours. Claims can generally happen after insurance attaches, so after planting, but also prior to harvest. Next is the claim inspection. AgriSompo North America's claim adjusters are expected to contact an insured within 24 hours after receiving a claim to set up a claim inspection. The adjuster visits the insured, performs inspections, and/or gathers production information to determine the insured's loss. The insured and adjuster sign loss documentation, which is then submitted to the office for review. Once the claim has been reviewed and processed, an indemnity check is sent to the insured. AgriSompo North America takes pride in being able to, on average, pay claims within just a few days after receiving a signature. The final step within the crop insurance cycle is premium billing. Insureds receive a bill for any remaining premium due that was not previously covered by an indemnity. And we call it the crop insurance cycle because we start all over again at step 1. This diagram and video does not include all steps and rules, but is a great general guide to how America's farmers and ranchers utilize crop insurance to protect themselves from insurable decreases in their production. To learn more about crop insurance, agriculture, and about us, be sure to follow AgriSompo North America on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Also, visit our website at agrisompo.com.